Okay, so in this subject, we are seeing the first sale of my student, Harpreet, and pretty much we are into her account. So, Harpreet, are you excited to see this first ever targeted sale?
Absolutely. I'm pretty much excited because I've seen my first sale in Clickbank after ages now.
First sale in Clickbank after ages. Now that's an a very fascinating statement that I am hearing. I keep hearing that from my students now. So see, here's the thing. The beauty of this first sale is it's not just first sale. This sale is controlled by you. This sale is controlled by your Google ads. This sale is controlled by your landing page, and this sale is controlled by the optimization process that is already in place. Now, I'll be honest with you, Harpreet. Even some of the best marketers, maybe they're doing launches, maybe they're doing, a lot of other stuff, but not many people are into the health-based industry. So there are three industries: health, wealth, and relationship, right?
Right.
You've got your first sale from the health industry, which is powerful.
Right.
You're already part of the wealth industry, but so the next step is all about having some patience and learning how to optimize and reading the data. Okay,
Right. Right.
so let's see. Mm, okay, but again, I just wanted to get your feedback on like as a testimonial on this call. Okay, like um what do you see further now? You have got your first sale, and uh can you say something about my coaching process and all that? Can you say something about me after seeing your this sale?
Yeah, actually, whenever we had calls in past for the coaching stuff,
Mhm,
I'm you are allowing me to record them. So
mhm,
that was being very helpful because even though you are the one doing everything for me right now,
mhm.
but while watching those videos, it makes me feel that I'm doing something. It helps me so much to understand every single bit of training. There's no complication. Everything is very much transparent. No
Mhm,
hidden tricks. Very clear, tried and tested tricks you are allowing to, like you are implementing over here.
mhm.
So that is being very helpful. And I was like so much excited. I reached out to you on Facebook, on WhatsApp, and everywhere just to tell that I got my first sale. And $79 is a really big amount for me when it comes to getting affiliate income.
For a single day, right?
Yes, for a single day.
And that too while sleeping.
Exactly, exactly. When I woke up, it was a good morning actually.
Wow, wow. I'm happy to hear those words. Like when I woke up, it was a good morning. Fantastic,
Yeah,
fantastic.
every day we wish each other good morning, but good
Mhm.
morning comes when we really
When
see something good, hard work pays off.
hard work pays off. So thank you for those kind words, Harpreet. You see, I'll be honest here, even in this testimonial video. See, I put all my heart and soul in getting a student's campaign live. Even
Right.
I don't know, though the sales process is proven, but even I am not sure when that sale would arrive, because sales are not controlled by me, only the proven process is controlled by me. Sale
Exactly.
is something that comes when the customer is willing to buy by clicking your ad. Our job is to place the ads in front of the right customer in the right way, and sales naturally come. Though you're not, you're one of the many and many students that I have who have generated sales, and pretty much, uh, pretty much it's every time my new student gets his first sale, it's a first sale for me as well, for that student.
Right.
So
It's an achievement.
it's an achievement. And sometimes, some students in their first few 2 weeks, they don't get a sale. So they get kind of, they feel like they've spent about maybe $150, they have not got any sale, and they feel kind of kind of low on the motivation side. But that's not the thing. The thing is that if you are doing a proven process, sales will come. And because I like to be super transparent, even on this testimonial video, I made this thing super clear to set the right expectations. So yeah, thank you for the kind words.
And
Anything else you want to
frankly
say?
speaking, belonging to this industry for years, I was not expecting sales so soon.
Mhm.
I knew it will come after like 2 weeks or something like that, but not so soon. So it was a great surprise for me.
I see. So thank you for the kind words. And
Thank you for
yep,
all the coachings that you are giving me. It's like mentorship you are allowing me to take from you.
you're
It's
welcome.
really kind of you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So yep. So guys, if you're watching this video on YouTube or on Facebook or anywhere, you can just get in touch with me to get into my coaching, and you will see your first ever sale with me. Okay. So yep, this is where I would like to stop speaking.